I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up any lighting profiles and game presets so you can restore them later. Once done, create a Windows restore point to revert if anything breaks. Next, close Armoury Crate and all ROG background services. Make sure no related processes run in Task Manager. You should run the installer or cleanup tool as administrator to ensure permissions. These prerequisites avoid data loss and permission errors during the reset, and they get you straight into the actionable cleanup steps. You now uninstall Armoury Crate, Aura Creator, and any ASUS SDK components through Apps and Features. Do this first to remove core app files. After uninstall, manually delete leftover folders in Program Data, Program Files, x86, and both app data locations to remove cache settings. Once the disk is clean, run the official Armoury Crate cleanup tool to scrub drivers and registry entries. Finally, reinstall the latest Armoury Crate installer and run it as administrator so services and drivers register correctly with Windows. After reinstall, import your saved profiles and then verify required services like awk background service and ROG live service are running. Make sure Windows is updated and install the latest ASUS chipset and device drivers so hardware communicates properly with Armoury Crate. If devices still show errors, check Device Manager for missing drivers and reinstall them. If the app still fails, roll back to the restore point you made or escalate to ASUS support. This troubleshooting step recovers you from stubborn driver or service conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.